Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is m cubed divided by m is equals to m, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. And here in the first method, we move the denominator term to the right hand side, and you see here m is divided by here. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by this m, and it will be written as m cubed is equals to m multiplied by m. And now further, you see here m times of m in the right hand side becomes m square, and we get m cubed equals to m square. And now here further in the next step, we move m square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes m cubed minus m square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we have, you see that from both of these two terms we have m square be the common term, so that when we take common m square we get the remaining values are, from here we get m only, minus from here we get 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step here, we need more simplifications, and we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write m square equals to 0, and the second case is we write m minus 1 equals to 0. So these are from here, from the first case you see that this is m square equals to 0, and this means that here we get there are two repeated roots of the given equation, and these roots are m equals to 0 0, and from here we get the value of m is equals to, this is minus 1, when we move it into the right hand side it will becomes plus 1. So these are the uh, three roots of the given equation, in which two roots are repeated roots and one root are real roots. And finally we have, there are two distinct roots, and these are 0 and 1. And now here in the next step we need to verify that which of these roots are solution or which of these roots are extraneous root. So for verification of these roots we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is m cubed divided by m is equals to m. This is the our given question statement. And here in this side we will be verify m is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify m is equals to 1. So here first we verify m is equal to 0, so that we substitute m equals to 0 on both of the sides of this equation. So when you put it here it will becomes 0 cubed divided by 0 is equals to 0, and you see here 0 cubed becomes 0 over 0 form is equals to 0. So in the left hand side we obtain 0 over 0 form, and it is usually called that it is the indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, we conclude about m equals to 0 is that m equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So m equals to 0 be the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And here we need to verify the second value of m, and that is m is equals to 1. When we substitute m equals to 1 into the given question statement, it will be written as in this form. So after substituting it will becomes 1 cubed divided by 1 is equals to 1. And further we have 1 cubed becomes here 1 is equals to 1, You see here both of the sides are equal when we take m equals to 1, so it means that the value of m equals to 1 is satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is m equals to 1. So this is the final answer of this question which we get here in this method. And now here in the next step we again solve this problem for second method. So here in second method, first we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is m cubed divided by m is equals to m. So this is our given question statement, and here we use another technique to find the roots of this equation. So here in the second method we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of x divided by a to the power of y is equals to a to the power of x minus y. So according to this rule of exponents, we write these terms as, because you see here the exponent of denominator term is 1, and when we move this term to the up side, it will be written as m to the power of 3 minus 1 is equals to m. And further in the next step we have this will becomes m square is equals to m. And now we need to move this m from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes here m square minus m is equals to 0. And in the next step we need to take common m from here, and when we take common m we get the remaining values are m minus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write m equals to 0, and the second case is we write m minus 1 equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we get the value of m is equals to plus 1, and this is the second root of the given equation. So these are the two roots of the given equation which we get here in this method, but in the first method we already verified that both of these two roots satisfied our given question m equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement, so we call that m equals to 0 be the extraneous root, and m equals to 1 be the solution of the given equation. So we have the solution set is m is equals to 1, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.